The MoveU membership has helped me not just physically, but also mentally, because I was very frustrated. I was seeing a lot of physical therapists in town. And yes, I've learned a lot from all of them. But when that didn't work, I tried the surgical procedures to fix my problems, and that just made the matter worse. The MoveU membership has helped me address the core problems, and just knowing the roadmap, what the issues actually are, that has helped me be able to target the real problems. I have finally been able to start running again. I can finally squat again. I wasn't able to do that without the kneecap grinding. I can do single leg lunges. I'm swimming without my shoulder hurting, so I can do a lot of different sports that I couldn't do before. This is also true. I was asked by the moms at school to join the pickleball group, and finally I can do that as well, so I'm very happy about that. Hi, my name is Anna. I am 49 years old, and I was originally raised in Sweden, and now I live in San Diego. The reason why I enrolled in the MoveU membership is because I have multiple injuries from sports, and then I had multiple surgeries trying to fix those injuries, and it didn't work out so well, so I needed some extra help. Well, my first injury was a fracture of the tibial plateau, and that caused a lot of pain. And then I was struggling with pain just trying to fix all the injuries from, I had a hip surgery, knee surgery, elbow surgery. So I've been struggling with pain since about 2004. I did do the MoveU 90 challenge, but I'm way beyond 90 days. I'm not even counting because I have integrated the MoveU program into my own regular gym training. So I actually do the MoveU movements as my movement prep to do weight training. Something that I discovered with the MoveU membership is that I actually have some prior problems that actually led up to the issues that I had that I hadn't addressed. Some of those issues that I had was some movement problems and misalignments and instability and weaknesses, and the MoveU membership has helped me address all those problems. The diagnosis that I fixed with MoveU was challenges with a tracking problem in my knee, because when I had my first surgery on my knee, they cut my plica out, and that caused an instability in my knee. So for that reason, I have had to strengthen the muscles around that area. And then I also had a labrum tear in my hip joint that I had 2 surgeries done to try to fix that problem, and I was given a transplant of a labrum in my hip. The MoveU program has helped me fix the instabilities and muscle weaknesses that I have in that area. My original sport was team handball. I played for the United States national team, and I wouldn't qualify there today, but that is my ideal sport that I just love. Now I swim, run, bike, play pickleball, and just being active, pain-free. Outside the gym, MoveU has actually helped me perform better with what I do, which is I train dogs. So now I'm able to train clients' dogs, and I can kneel if there's a small dog. I don't need to bring a chair. Now I can actually sit down on my both legs. I can actually sit on my knees, and I can do a very deep squat when I'm treating the dogs when they're doing the right behavior. I couldn't do that before. I would always bring a chair. If I were to describe MoveU with 3 words, it would be hope, roadmap, truth. I think that somebody that doesn't have the motivation, and because sometimes you lose the motivation if you don't know where to start, but here you're actually given the roadmap. This is what you need to do. This is your true issue. This is what you need to do to succeed. If you don't have the self-motivation, that will give you the self-motivation. So I think you don't really need to have the self-motivation. You'll get it. One of my proudest moments during the MoveU program is when I finally was able to get my scapula in. Alignment is everything for me, because that was my original problem to begin with. Having now proper alignment, that is the key. So now go fix your shit.